Hey guys, so this is a test that I did with a rejected part. Basically, I was messing with surface smoothing and I totally botched it. So I figured it's a good part to put in the oven. So I'd never done this before. I just did it one take. So hopefully it's informative. I was really happy with how things turned out. All right, so here's a part that I finished. I'm only going to want to do this once, so hopefully this take works. Because I'm probably going to get in a lot of trouble and maybe gas myself. So I've got the temperature set. The oven says 170. I guess according to that thermometer it says 225. I'm going to stick that in there. And I'm going to start my timer. And I guess see how long it takes. Or how long it can take, I guess, before it breaks or falls apart or something bad happens. So, or I die of toxic fumes. I really should have got a stand or something for this iPad. Holy crap. So at a minute, I'm just gonna see what it's looking like. So yeah, as I thought, it's pretty rock solid. Nothing's going on there. Premium video quality. Okay, so it's been about 3 minutes. Let's see how we're doing. I can't see what I'm filming, but okay. So yeah, it's still not falling apart. It's actually super hot to the touch though. Throw that back in. Take a look, I guess. Definitely softer, but I mean, there's no structural problems with it. It's hot. Okay, so we're up on the 10-minute mark, and as we can see, I don't know, it's definitely softening, but it's definitely not to the point of deforming or any other problems like that. Sorry, this is just not focusing. The surface is, I mean, this one I hadn't, this is a reject from before, so. And just a reminder, I'm going to take this off my stand. Just a reminder so we can see the temperature here. We're at solid 200 degrees, just from opening the door every time. I had it set at 170, but I guess my oven runs real hot. So yeah, thanks for watching this video of fast forward clock. I'm sure that was real exciting. And yeah, again, the temperature that I had was about 200 degrees. At the start, it was 220, and then I think as I kept opening the door, the temperature came down to 200. And hopefully your car doesn't get much hotter than that. Maybe on a hot day with the sun beating in, you might maybe see 130. I don't know. I've never actually had a thermometer or tested it, but yeah, thanks.